Hello techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can use AI to the fullest, how you can get courses that will offer you the competence you need in AI advancement. So we all know that AI is good for our advancement, is good for to improve our productivity, is good to do a lot of things that would have been much more harder for us. AI can make it very easy for us, and that's a plus for us. That can make you perform extremely well in your job. So there are some sites offering AI courses that you can look at, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can do that. But if you have watched this video to this point, I would like you to subscribe and share this video so that it can reach other people, and also leave your comment at the comment section. So in this video I'm going to teach you 12 AI courses you can undergo to make sure you are very competent in this AI advancement era. So AI will make work easier for you. It depends on how much you take advantage of the information that you have today. But if you don't take advantage of the information you have today, that means not learning, then you'll be left behind as the world is constantly improving. So here are 12 AI you can use to learn. So the first one is Introduction to Generative AI. Introduction to Generative AI, and I'm going to leave the link to these courses so you can go through them. So what you learn in Introduction to Generative AI is the course explains what generative AI is, how it is used, and how it differs from traditional ML, machine language methods. So this AI will teach you how generative AI works, how it is used, and how it is different from traditional machine language methods. So the second AI tool you will learn is Introduction to Large Language Models. Introduction to Large Language Models. Now, what you will learn in this course is that it will explore what large language models, LLM, are, and the use cases where they can be utilized. So it will explain all of that to you. Then the third AI model you can learn is Boost Your Productivity AI. You understand? Boost your productivity with AI. So what you will learn in this course is how to use AI tools and techniques to save you time. So you may be wondering why some people are faster these days. It's because they are smart, and they are not just smart. There are technologies, AI, that is making this work easier for them. So you could be that person. So number 4 is Google AI Essentials. Google AI Essentials. So what you learn from this is that you use generative AI tools to help develop ideas and content and speed up your daily work task. So this will help you to speed up your daily work task. It will help you to generate ideas and content to help you speed up your daily work task. Maybe you are a digital marketer, digital marketing strategist, you create pages for people, or you manage pages for businesses. This will help you to improve your productivity. Then number 5 is Introduction to Responsible AI. Introduction to Responsible AI. So what this course will teach you is you will learn what responsible AI is, why it is important, and how Google implements responsible AI in their products. So you will learn all of this. You notice that if you search a lot on AI, there are some things that are restricted. So you have to be responsible in how you use your AI technology to make sure that the world is safe, because you hear every day where people complain that AI is actually dangerous for the world because of the way the machines, the way they are training these AIs, and they can do a lot of things that seem to be impossible in the past or difficult to do. But now AI can even clone people. So you have to learn how to use responsible AI. Then number 6 is Cloud Computing Foundations. Cloud Computing Foundations. Now in this course will provide an overview of concepts central to cloud basics, big data, and machine learning. So you will learn all of that in this course. First, concepts central to cloud basics, big data, and machine learning. So number 6 course you can go through is Introduction to Machine Learning. You can learn this using AI. So what you can do with this is make inferences and recommendations using and consider the ethical implication of machine learning. So you will learn all of this with this AI course. Then number 8, you also learn applying AI principles with Google Cloud. Applying AI principles with Google Cloud. So you learn this. So what you learn is learn how Google operationalizes responsible AI within an organization. So you learn how Google operationalizes responsible AI within an organization. That's what you will learn in this course, and I'm going to leave the links of this course after this video. Then number 9 course you can learn is Understanding Machine Language. So in this course, you learn the foundations of how machine learning works. So that's what you learn from this course. Then number 10 is Introduction to the Cloud. So what you learn is that you discover what the cloud is, what works, and what you can do with data in the cloud. Then number 11 is understand the basis of code. If you are into coding, so you can learn how to do coding, get an introduction to code, find how it works and what it can do and what it can benefit you. So you can find out the benefit and what you can do with coding if you are into coding. Then number 12, the last, is Prompt Design in Vertex AI. Prompt Design in Vertex AI. So you discover how to craft effective prompts and apply Gemini models to real-world working scenarios. So in this video, I'm going to leave you the links to these AI courses so you can go through these courses and make sure that you are using AI to your advantage. So don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comment at the comment sections. I'm going to attend to all of these questions. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.